Good evening and thanks for joining us. Thousands of Kentuckians have received the first round of the COVID vaccine. It is a big step in the fight against the virus, but there is still a long way to go.
The governor has said this process is slower than they thought it would be. The logistics behind vaccinating thousands of people during a pandemic includes coordinating with state and federal authorities. Victor Puente is tracking the process in Lexington, first on Fox.
Earlier today, hundreds of healthcare workers in Lexington who aren't affiliated with one of the larger entities received the Moderna vaccine. This is the second clinic of its type the Fayette County Health Department has held.
We find out how many we have, how many spots we can have available, and then we have to do the math. How many people can we safely fit into one space and maintain that social distancing.
One of those vaccinated works at Bluegrass Orthopedics. He told me he believes these vaccines are safe.
I expect we'll still be masked, for a while there because, it's going to take a while for everyone else to hop on with vaccinations. But, the hope to return to a normal life with, going shopping, not wearing masks every day, it'll be awesome.
And this is still part of the first phase where medical professionals and those in long-term care facilities get the vaccine. Less than 1% of Kentuckians have been vaccinated. Officials have told us those vaccinations have to be reported to multiple state and federal agencies, including the CDC and Health and Human Services. There's also the logistics required for getting people through quickly while factoring in social distancing during a pandemic. And hospitals have to stagger their vaccinations for employees. The hope is, as the process continues, it'll speed up.
COVID-19 is new. This vaccine is new. This whole process is new. We've run other vaccine clinics in the past, but those were for things that we're more familiar with. This is a whole different process. There will always be a learning curve in the beginning of any new process.
In Lexington, Victor Puente, Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
When it comes to the number of people vaccinated, Kentucky is behind our bordering states. We've received more than 136,000 doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines combined. But so far, we've administered fewer than 30,000. If you look at percentage of population vaccinated, Kentucky looks more promising. We're around 0.65% right now, which is on par with Ohio and Virginia. Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, and Tennessee have already vaccinated 1% of its population. West Virginia is up to nearly 2%.